Welcome back to Worthington Model Railway and another new arrival. So this arrived in the mail and I was quite surprised at actually how small it is. I don't know why, but I thought it would be, I don't know, it's interesting. Anyway, obviously, you know, it's 009, and I just saw this and I thought that these were so nice that I had to have one. Because what I have to do now is put some correct track on the layout somewhere, and I will probably put a run of track in that new mountain area that I showed the other day on my update, so I can run this. This is also DCC sound fitted. We will go and look and see if I can come up with a mechanism to be able to go through the DCC sounds. I have one of those rolling roads from DCC Concepts that does different scales, but as I don't have the track yet, I just ordered track a couple of days ago. Might not be able to do it, but we'll see what I can do. Anyway, let's open this up and have a look at it. So, as I said, this is Ffestiniog double Fairlie Earl of Merioneth, Earl Merioneth, from the Ffestiniog Railway in lime green. So a little difficulty getting out of the box there, but it came out. So let's pull the sleeve off, and here's the decoder information, the owner information, specs, location, etc., etc. And here is the sound fitted information and a list of functions and sounds, so we can look at that later. Also gives me a Bachmann Collectors Club thing, which I can't do because I'm in the US and it doesn't work over here. Okay, so what else do we have? We have some etched nameplates, and we have obviously the DCC blanking plate. Okay. Open this up, take it out, and we can have a closer look. So here we go. Well, you can see that. Lots of very fine detail, because you know these are articulated, which is kind of interesting. Articulated bogies, and we have some very great fine detail. Look at the detail in the cab there. These have been very nicely done. Smoke box detail. Everything appears to be fitted. I don't see there's much to change here. Fit. Well, that's about all I can do right now. Interestingly, I just noticed it does say sound fitted on the bottom. How they get the speaker and everything in there, I do not know, but obviously they do. So here we have the Fairlie, and this one is DCC sound fitted, so I thought we just run through the sounds. So, pressing 1 turns the sounds on. Hopefully we can hear the sounds because they're not really loud. Number 2 is the brake sounds. Number 3 is the cylinder drain clocks. Number 4 is the bell or whistle. Number 5 is the reverser. Number 6 is shoveling coal. Number 7 is the injectors. Number 8 is an alternative bell, whistle. 9 is the flange squeal. I suppose we have to be moving. The next thing we have is a number 12, which is the water tank filling. Thirteen is a coupling clank. 14 is light engine mode. Don't quite know what that does. 16 is a guard's whistle. 18 is a chime whistle. 'Safety valves lifted is 21. 22 is the blower. 23 is the right of way. 24 is clear to set back. And that is about it. If we have it move off, we'll hear the sounds as it moves off. So I'm going to just run it by for a second. So I'm just going to run it by and we'll listen to it as it runs by. So here you see the Fairlie that I recently got. I laid the narrow gauge track. It's really temporary at this point. Still need to do some more work on that, but I just wanted to see if this is going to work. Thank you for watching. I really like this little narrow gauge loco. I actually have just ordered another one as I'm going to have this narrow gauge section on my layout. I'm going to need more than one, and ordered some more narrow gauge rolling stock too. So anyway, if you liked it, like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. Subscribe with the button to the top right and another video to the top left.